Hi guys, so this is the Star Wars 1/12 scale plastic model kit BB-8 and R2-D2. So these are the sides of the Star Wars model kit of BB-8 and R2-D2. You don't need glue for it. So let's start opening it and see what's inside. So this part is definitely for the R2-D2, I think. Oh, it says it's for the BB-8. This one is, I think, for the R2-D2 and for the BB-8. I think this is for the R2 and BB-8 again, also as some white and silver models. So let's open up the instructions how to build the BB-8 and R2-D2 1/12 scale plastic model kit. So here are some photos from the movie. Let's see here, the 3 of these. So let's start opening. So these steps, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So these are for the BB-8, and these are also for the BB-8, I think. Let's check out the back. So this is for the R2-D2, and this place shows the things that I can do. So this is BB-8's head. We finished it, so that's how it will look like. So I just finished the head of BB-8, so that's how it really looks like when you're done. So that's it. So we added antennas to BB-8's head, so now it will look like this, with antennas on BB-8's head. So that's it. So we did all of these things for BB-8. So these are all the signs on its body. This thing, it's going to hold these things. And of course, you know about the head. And I wanted to tell you that you do not need any glue or paint. So we finished the body, so that's how it looks like. It's like a ball. It has all these different kinds of signals. Then we're gonna do the rest of the things, and then we're gonna be done. So guys, we're done with our BB-8 robot from Star Wars. So that's how it will look like all around. So this box says no glue, but you can add a little bit of some glue like we did because our antennas fell down. But you can also add a little bit glue because some stuff can fall down, like like we said, our antennas fall down. So I also wanted to remind you that next week we are gonna build R2-D2, also from Star Wars. So see you next time, guys. Bye.